So end of the day, it's Easter, Sunday, on April 2023, and I'm recovering from the damage on my feet. Put alcohol. I'm glad that I had a nail through my feet, so now I'm recovering. I'm here at Containers Alone with this nice visual. Some party going on there and a lot of work. I'm gonna rush, so you better watch the videos and subscribe and send me messages asking what you want to know. Subscribe, invite your friends, and since we have so many videos, it's like a TV show, so you can watch basically every day. We're gonna have like over 100 videos, short videos, 5 minutes or so. We have another friend. Soon the turtles will be here too, while we are building the shipping container tiny home in the Caribbean, US Virgin Islands, and you can watch all this building with me and learn how to do it. We're gonna discuss also how to buy land, even in other countries like Costa Rica, Panama, Bahamas. We almost bought an island, part of an island in Bahamas. So that's what you're gonna learn in this video show or TV show or playlist on YouTube. I'm also on Facebook, and you should go there and enjoy. I think you're gonna love it. Okay? So subscribe. Se inscreve aí, galera. Vou ensinar como comprar. Acabei de construir mais. Como comprar terra em Costa Rica, Bahamas, St. Croix, Ilhas Virgens, Caimás, o mundo todo. Aproveita. Subscreva aí, manda ver, dá like, conversa comigo, a gente vai se falando. So, click there, subscribe, talk to me, and I'm gonna teach you everything.